Hi everybody, I'm Mark Schlemme, Vice President of Marketing for Screen Americas. Thanks for attending the Digital Packaging Summit and tuning in for our label case study presentation. This year's summit, of course, is an expanded format, and I know there are a lot of new attendees. Many of you may be unfamiliar with Screen for label and packaging, so before we jump into the presentation, I wanted to take a moment to introduce Screen. Screen has provided solutions to the graphic arts for over 150 years, but our focus since 2007 has been on production class inkjet printing. That's 13 years building and supporting high-speed roll-to-roll production class inkjet presses for markets such as direct mail, books, transactional documents, and general commercial print. For the label market, we've partnered with Nilpeter, a longtime leader in the narrow web flexo and offset label markets. Together, Screen and Nilpeter represent over 250 years in the printing and packaging industries. This dynamic synergy equates to the ultimate value for you. The Screen Truepress Jet L350UV family of inkjet presses has been leading the label and packaging markets since 2015. With global installations closing in on 200 units, the industry is just beginning to realize the benefits of this exceptional technology. To kick off this presentation, I'll let our customers share their thoughts, and then we'll dive into the press.
We felt that the Screen was the best because number one, it was UV, and number two, the quality we thought was phenomenal.
We didn't have a single customer that had any complaints going from flexo to digital. They actually enjoyed it because of the UV inkjet. It gives you more of a pop than a regular flexo.
If you're looking for almost offset quality product, then we are definitely going to print that on the Screen. The L350 press prints a lot cleaner and it has a smaller drop size than the other inkjet technology that we have.
What the L350 is, it gets perfect registration each time you run. The ink is consistent from tank to tank.
The white on the Screen is beautiful. It's very opaque, and we were really happy with the quality of the white.
We've been able to get art that day and have it printed, finished, and shipped in the same day.
We're fast. We can deliver this job within days, not weeks or months.
We were missing a lot of opportunities because we could not do small runs.
We've changed our opinion about what run is too long based on the fact that it just prints and it just works.
Right now, we basically have a minimum of 2,000 on our labels for flexo or 5,000 labels for process printing on our flexo press. But with the digital press, we can go down as far as maybe 100 labels.
We run pretty much everything on a 13-inch stock. If it's the same stock, great. If it's not, it takes just a few minutes to change the material. You upload the file, you press print, bam, they're printed.
We were looking for a solution that would give us faster lead times with a similar level of quality, and we believe we found that with Screen USA.
We figured was with the time that we saved in efficiency, with the operator, with the ink, with the waste of setup, that it more than pays for itself to move it from flexo to digital. We converted about 95% of our 4-color process from our flexo to our digital.
The Screen press is incredibly easy to use because the print heads require very little interaction from the operator, which makes it extremely easy for someone who has no experience in printing to come in and operate the Truepress.
Honestly, it was pretty much a plug-and-play situation.
Our customers have noticed a switch between the former inkjet that we have and the L350.
Repeatability has been outstanding. That's been one of the real exciting points of it, is that we know going in that the same label that we produced on the previous run we'll produce again. There's no variation.
The repeatability of the job runs for the digital L350 has been very consistent for us. Since you know what you're getting the first time when you print it out, you're going to get that repeated each time.
Well, we also examined the capital investment, the operating cost, the overall quality, and the speed and throughput of all the machines that we looked at. And we found that Screen L350 was the only machine that delivered on all of those fronts.
Introducing the third generation of the Truepress Jet L350UV family, the L350UV SAI. let's take a deeper look inside the Truepress Jet L350UV SAI label press.
The Truepress Jet L350UV SAI is designed for both ease of operation and high productivity. From the intuitive operation from a simple touch panel GUI to automated press linearization and hands-free automated head cleaning and purging, the L350UV SAI is ready for a fast 60 meters per minute production printing in just 8 minutes every morning or between roll changes. The self-contained compact design fits on any production floor without the need of a clean room. Robust engineering guides a wide variety of substrates through a short media path, ensuring low waste and repeatable image quality roll after roll, job to job, and shift to shift. With innovative technologies such as light-sensitive mark sensors, dual high-power curing lamps, intelligent splice detection, and easy roll and media changes, a single operator keeps one or even multiple presses and a finishing line running, printing roll after roll of beautiful offset-like printing, featuring sharp, fine details, clean knock text, smooth gradations, no stitching across the web, and rich, opaque single-pass white. The Truepress Jet L350UV SAI is more than a press. It's a complete label printing solution, including world-class production workflow and proprietary UV inks. Screen's Equius workflow drives production printing for diverse markets, including commercial print, direct mail printing, book printing, and of course, label and packaging. Equios workflow provides print integrity across flexo and digital presses, open to integration via a scalable client-server architecture to provide file ripping integrity for prepress, plates, and digital print. Built on the standard of the Adobe PDF print engine, Screen is Adobe's largest OEM of PDF print engine in the graphic art space, with more than 4,000 global installations and over 30 years service in graphic arts prepress. CXF color management includes iterative spot color matching and color adjustment tools to match flexo spot colors with an inkjet press. Print simulation and ink estimating provides confidence and accurate pricing for digital printing. RIP-based simultaneous print and page composition for both black variable and full color variable printing keeps the press running, eliminating the wait for processing of large job files, with simple operation for both flexible and digital. Full 360-degree view of press productivity with Trust Print Overview. Automated and intelligent setups for media and inks via Print Setup Database. One-time substrate profiling for digital print. Proprietary UV inks have been developed by Screen, especially for the L350UV SAI. These Truepress inks offer a wide color gamut and are available in both standard inks for everyday label printing and low migration inks for indirect contact of food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical label printing. High-grade colorants are used for a wider process color gamut and additional orange and blue inks to reach even more of the Pantone library. All Truepress inks are designed to reduce the odor common to UV inks. Truepress white inks are formulated with a heavy white pigment ratio, providing high opacity. Single-pass white printing provides faster, more economical white printing. Variable drop 4-level grayscale heads, droplet sizes as small as 2.5 picoliters, and reduced viscosity inks produce an incredibly thin ink film laydown, producing a smooth, naturally appearing print with a pleasing feel, free of the raised texture typical of UV printing. This decreased ink buildup also provides for easy post-coating when applications require it.
Thanks for your time today. If you'd like to know more about how the Screen Truepress family of presses can help your shop become more productive, visit screenamericas.com.